Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you project management and accounting parameter. For that you need to go to project management, then setups, then project management and accounting parameter forms. In first form you will get the journal tab, in which you will get setup journal project information, allow adjustment of transaction status project, in which you can set default project type. These are the project types, anyone you can set. Times and material, current project is set, and fixed price, investment, cost project, internal, time project, and none. These are the project types. The posted, invoice journal, invoice proposal. These are the optional tick mark you can set here. Then the project ID format. In sales order related things, you can set default customer on sales order, vendor retention, posting groups you can set based on the sales revenue or based on the gross amount. Then tax options, retention group, display transaction for price or ledger update or line amount, and these options check you can see and set as per your requirement. And second type is financial types, in which you can set the financial information for project like ledger posting default, invoice adjustment, total or lines, then accrue revenue, subscription, estimate, then project sales tax, group method, either project contract, customer account search, then item sales tax group method, item or category. Then you can set calculation date type, payment mode, cash, check, electronic, refund, PDC. Then scheduling related parameters are here. You can set worker default, worker calendar, then journal related setups, hour general expense, item fee, then default category for hour expense and item and fee, then intercompany related setups, journal, then timesheet related setups, in which timesheet management page, timesheet posting, whether you want automatic or manual, customers, then category. These are the item sales tax. You want display, read only, or all those you can set for activity, line property, internal comments, external comments, and sales tax group. Then invoice, funding allocation order you can set here, default invoice layout, project contract, billing rules, prepayment rating, and on account invoicing. Then default model you can set here, forecast model, terms of payment for expenses, then default item allocation key for transfer quotation line for item forecast, and cash flow forecast on sales price, and estimate related parameters are here. Setup for estimation and committed cost option. Then after that, hour utilization, time and material, default of billing rate, definition of efficiency rate, definition of billable rate. You can set for fixed price, investment, internal and post time projects. Then project statement, profit and loss ratio definition you can set, gross margin ratio, then cost control method you can set here, then cost control default forecast model, then budget related setups, then cost commitment, and forecast reduction, in which you will get hour forecast. Whatever you want to select, you can select project activity category worker, project date is selected, and remaining are parents category for template here. You can set as per your requirement. And inventory dimension is same as like other module, and production, hosting method, capacity planning, and project stages, in which project types you want which stage to be set, you can set here, and you can set language. Then vendor contract language. In account code, under this you will set all group and tables. Last tab is number sequence, which is very important. In number sequence you will get number sequence information for project ID. You can set an invoice proposal, credit note, invoice voucher, credit note voucher, general transaction adjustment. These are the important here, and others are these. You can see on account invoice voucher, credit note voucher, type sheet voucher, integration voucher. So that's it. So friends, you can see, check, and apply for your as per your requirement. Please video को like, share and subscribe कीजिए.